Obosio kero murubiri muyabwa masomo OCBC hogandate kwene kyo gwikirani wase chiskuru au nigo hegati ye chiskuru che secondary chigendrete nemirubirio ya butambe ya masomo kurende nabo igo chigendrete kubarasara nabo igo amakongwari chigendrete gwetera wikira boniga homorkia homorne bwe skuru ye secondary ya magena yo gotoka se bungi abo machoge bura bwe county ya Kisii niga tebire amagendro ase chiskuru nigo akeire abo igo bari konya bakubwato ko chindagere go cha ase chiskuru bnenchire moyo go cha kwene kya emirubirio ya kena borokwanko gendera senchirengia nigo bakeirie emiroberio yo hasebono harure ugosaba ucyasa bwatani be sector y'ikisemi gosona nengane yo herigo cyakwene kemiroberio nko gendera senchirengia
Mwancho murigereria korende korengana nensemo yaye umwalimu omonene kwe skuru ya secondary ya Kongo 2 egotoka ebunge ya machoge chache county ya Kisii umwalimu Lucas Maburi nigatebire omuroberio yo tobwati bokongo bonde bwensi asebono atebire obokongo bonene ngo cyasa boro kya bari babiri bakosomye birasi byakurumayiga asebono abange babo bari balikire ne body babiri bagosiria emiremo yabo kubatikana no kubora kwa boro kya ase chiskuru au
Asa Marieta Nkoroku Mofat Nyasende. I'm the senior teacher at school ya Magenge Secondary. I'm speaking this on behalf of our principal, Dr. Stella Mariera. Na ndiko mnachi form 1 tanya go cha na tuanze school tuate form 2, form 2 and form 2, form 3 and form 4. E challenge na nelinga etuwate virasi vire go vire around the 7 classes. So what they were supplying initially, meaning their quantity that was supposed to be supplied equally will reduce. So everything is not doing very well. Kumechangia sana kwa mambo ya maendeleo katika shule yetu. Hatujafanya maendeleo sana kwa sababu form 1 wakija, most of them being new, they pay school fees in time na wanamaliza na inasaidia sana kuendeleza mipango ya shule. Lakini wakati hawapo inatupatia changamoto sana. Sa captation kwa school ya virego ego chereu na ande korate michande mengi sana soko ranji program chia masomo ya abana batu batema.
Oyo kwana Akoroku Lucas Maburi, principal ya Kongo 2 Secondary School. Ase chi form 1 utatoke school umwaka oyo ase nche buno monto osebune principal ya school yeye tindo chiebwate effect endene ne mono effect yero igera sabalimu bali twaligete balenge be board okonya balimu abandi bonse tubwate mumanyete nga balimu mbaisa inichi school TSC tera lika balimu bonse mbaisa inichi school abalimu mbara abate neni wegasi yakarabana mbaye bagosomi ine effect yabembe sana abalimu baito balenge chiskuru mbali bale gosomi bono ninka bale asengenje gasi yabo ya edete secondary asengenje tutabwati abana ba form 1 egento yokanda tebe twanyolire advantage ingia no we prepare buya aso mwaka oyo mugima receive grade 10 students. Elinde nyole ntua wate jidom buyego to nyole space ye created to agaje jidom to konyora chibesa nyole birasi to improve birasi biri bono birembuti elinde grade 10 bagocha banyole ne birasi mbuye bire.
We have students ware JSS pasumbogete. They really don't have classes. It really pains us so much.
Ase eshidanda tebe bono iga ere nechi school cheto cha comprehensive school chibwate grade 9 nande chitaga chite birasi mapema elinde ba accommodate abana ba grade 9 chibwate tatiso ya balimu bagosomia abana aba especially in science subjects, even to some extent in languages, that is Kiswahili and English. Those subjects chibwate tatiso senja balimu bataisaini